learn how to create a project plan in Microsoft Excel. As you are seeing, I have created this Gantt chart by using the simple Excel range, and I haven't used any kind of graph chart or any VBA macro, nothing. So here I have taken the activity from 1 to 10, and start date of this activity, end date, duration of that particular activity, and the current status. It can be completed, pending. Okay. And if I will change the duration, let's say from 5 to 10, then the range will be changed accordingly. And if I will change the status also, then the color of this progress will be changed. Let's say I will take the pending, then it will be in red. And here I have also taken the highlight option. If I want to highlight any kind of date, like currently I have taken 8 October, then 8 October is highlighted here. If I will change it, let's say 10, then 10th October will be highlighted. Okay, so friends, I will tell you how can you create this chart in Microsoft Excel. And I also have hidden the function or anything which I have been used here. If you will check in the formula bar, nothing is displayed. If I will click here, then it is displayed, but here anywhere I will click, you cannot see nothing in formula bar. Okay, so I'm going to add new worksheet, and I will select this data and copy, because we will use the same data for creating this project plan. And I'm just pasting here as a value. Now I will change the start date and end date format. We'll select this and press Alt O E or right click and go to the format cells. And here we will go to the custom. We'll change the custom format as D-MMM. This one. Okay friends, so as you are seeing, I have taken the date from 1st October to 31st. Last date and date is 31st maximum. Okay, so we will create a date range. Just copy this and paste it here from 1st October to, just drag it to the right side and will create to the 31st. Okay, now we will change the text orientation for this, and just select and right click, go to the format cells, and we will go to the alignment, and in alignment we will go to the orientation. So we will change it as 90 degree and just press OK. Now select this column, and we will auto fit these columns. Double click on any column. The entire data is visible in single window, so we will use the formula here. Okay friends, so we will use if formula here. I am zooming my window so that you can see the formula properly. I'm using if, and then I will use AND function. Sorry, and in logic 1 we will take G3, and we will freeze the row, so we'll put a dollar sign before 3, row number. Okay, is greater than or equal to, sorry, is greater than or equal to start date, which is C4. Okay, and we will put dollar sign before C4, because the column will not be changed for start date, but row will be changed. So we will freeze only column, and here in this case the row will be the same every time, but the column will be changed. Okay, that is why we have put the dollar sign before row number, and here we have put the dollar sign before column number, which is C. Okay, similarly we'll give the logic 2. Logic 2 will be this date. Okay, and we'll put the dollar sign before column number, sorry, row number, and less than or equal to end date. This time we'll take the, and similarly here in end date column we will freeze column, so we'll put the dollar sign before D and just close the formula. Now if my end value will be true, then it should return status, whether completed or pending. So we'll click on F4, so it will return F4 value, but we will freeze the column here because column will be same for each value, but row will be changed. Okay, and now if value is false, then it will return blank. Just make it close, press enter, so it is returning completed. Now we will fill it down, control D. Okay, and similarly we will select, or we can copy this and we can paste in this range now. Okay friends, now we will use the conditional formatting here. So before using the conditional formatting, I would like to change the row width. I'm taking the row width as 25, and I will also change the text alignment, like I will take center center. Okay friends, I will go to the view and I will remove the grid lines. Now we will select this area and we'll go to the home in conditional formatting, new rule. Okay, or you can press Alt O D to go into the new rule, and we will add a new rule. Yeah, so the same window will be opened. Now we will go to the format only cells that content. Here we will go to the equal to and we'll put the completed. If my value is completed, then we'll go to the fill effect. Then fill effect should be, so first fill will take light green, let's say this one or this one, and second fill will take this one, and we'll select this variant. Okay, 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 you can take any other color, whatever you want. And I'll put new rule, again go to the same, and this time I will take equal to pending. Then fill effect will be the color one will take this one and color 2 will take this one. Okay, now we will go to the again Alt OE or format cells, and we'll go to the number and go to the custom format. We will select only this area, okay, wherein we have put the formula. So here we will take the number format as thrice semicolon. That's okay. So our text is not visible now. Okay friends, if I will change the value, let's say here 5, but we have to put the formula for the end date, start date plus duration minus 1. Just fill it down, and here we will put data validation list. So we'll press Alt DL and we'll go to the list, and we can put the list as completed and second is pending, so that a drop down list is created. If I will select the completed, then it will be in green, and if I will select pending, then it will be in red. So our chart is ready. We just need to give this formatting. So I'll select this header first, and we'll go to the Alt OE in format cells, and we'll go to the form, and in form I will go to the fill effects. Under fill effects I'll select this lighter okay, and second color will be this blue is good, and we can select this variant, the first one. Okay friend, and now we can make the font color as white. Press Ctrl B to make it bold, or the same color is this. Now here we have taken this color. Again, go to the press Alt OE, format cell, and go to the fill effects, and the fill effects will select this color, this variant. So first we can take this one, and for the second we can take darker one, and we can select this. Okay, so now this is ready, or you can take anything, any other color, no problem. So now we'll go give the border for this. So press Alt OE, go to the border, and we can take this border. You can change the color of border, any other color if you want, and click on this outline. Okay, so before creating this, we have to give the border here from here, like this. Just select these lines and go to the border is already available. So we will adjust this. That is why it was not, the border was not visible. Okay, so now friends, the chart is ready. Now what we will do, we'll insert a row here, and we'll go to the this sheet, and we can copy this range, or if you want we can create here, highlight, and here we can take the date. We can merge it. Here we can put a data validation, and we can take a list, and list we will select from here to selection. We can select any date. We can change the format, Alt OE, or right click and go to the format cells, go to the custom, and we'll take the same format like DMMM. Okay, now we will use the this highlighter, this the lines basically to highlight particular date. So we'll select the entire area, this area, date and the chart, and press Alt DOD to open the new rule in conditional formatting, and go to the new rule, and in new rule we'll select this, use a formula to determine which cell to format. Okay, now here we will put a formula. The formula will be equal to this value, which is G4, and we will remove the dollar from the column from before G, and we'll put the dollar before row, because we have to highlight the column. Okay, is equal to F2, which is the date, and then go to the format, and we'll go to the border, and we'll select this one, and select here, and click here, and click here. Okay, 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 apply. Okay, so our 10th October is highlighted. If I will change the date, then 15 is highlighted, and now you can take any other date. Okay, so now we can give the same formatting which we have given. This is the simple formatting. Alt OE, go to the fill effect, select the color, light color, and take any like this. We can change the text font color. Okay, now we will go to the view and remove the headings. So here our chart is ready, but the only problem is if I will click here, then my formula whatever I have used is visible. Now what I will do, I will select the entire worksheet, right click, go to the format cells and go to the protection. I will unlock all the cells. Now I will select this area wherein I have used the formula and right click, go to the format cells, lock and click on hidden. Okay, now I'll protect this, so I will go to the review and protect it. Here you can give your password whatever you want to give, but I'm not giving any password, so I'm just putting it. So now I will click here in formula bar. My formula is not visible. Okay friend, and I cannot edit this, but I can edit this area, change uh, 10. Okay, so because we have logged only this area, that is why now this area is logged to editing, rest is not logged for editing. Okay, so our chart is ready. So friend, I will upload this Excel file to my Google Drive. Please download it from there.